Hi, hello, dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss about ellipse short answer type questions in intermediate mathematics 2B. So let us have a discussion. The first question is based on conic definition. SP by PM equal to E. E means eccentricity. So here the question is, find the equation of the ellipse with focus at 1, minus 1, E equal to 2 by 3 and directrix as x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. So focus given and directrix and eccentricity values are given. So the rough figure just I am drawing. This is the equation of ellipse, rough figure. Major axis, x-axis, y-axis here, major axis, minor axis. Here center. Let us consider a point P on the ellipse and focus is given S 1, minus 1 and directrix x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. So here SP, PM. First step, given information you have to write it. Given focus, one of the foci, focus. It is denoted by S 1, minus 1. Eccentricity E equal to 2 by 3. Next, directrix. Equation of directrix. X plus y plus 2 equal to 0. This is the given information. After that, let P of x, y be any point on the ellipse. Let P of x, y be any point on the ellipse. So whenever the point lies on the conic, then we have SP by PM is equal to E. So cross multiply and write the condition. SP is equal to E into PM. So therefore, SP means what? Distance between S point and P point. Square root of x minus 1 whole square. Y minus of minus 1, y plus 1 whole square. SP value completed. E value is what? 2 by 3. Next, PM means perpendicular distance from x, y to this line. So in place of x, y, here also x, y is there. Mod x plus y plus 2 divided by square root of a square plus b square. X coefficient is a square plus b square, y coefficient is 1 square. Square root of a minus b whole square, expansion you have to do that, x square plus 1 minus 2x, a plus b whole square, y square plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 2 by 3 mod x plus y plus 2 divided by root 2. 1 square plus 1 square is 1 plus 1 2. Root 2. So here root 2 times is going to get cancelled. So cross multiply. 3 into square root of x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y plus 2 1 plus 1 is equal to root 2 into x plus y plus 2. Now squaring on both sides. 3 whole square is 9. Keep bracket, root and square is going to cancel. X square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y plus 2 bracket close is equal to root 2 whole square is 2. X plus y plus 2 whole square. So each and every term multiplying by 9 and keep it like this only. 9 into x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y plus 2. 2 into a plus b plus c whole square expansion. X square plus y square plus 4 2 square plus 2ab 2 into xy 2xy plus 2 into 2y 4y plus 2 into 2x 4x. So here each and every term multiplying by 2. 2x square plus 2y square plus 8 plus 4xy plus 8y plus 8x. This side 9x square plus 9y square minus 18x plus 18y plus 18. These values we are taking this side. 9x square minus 2x square. First write it, I'll write all LHS terms. 9x square plus 9y square minus 18x minus 18y plus 18. These values we are taking this side. Minus 2x square minus 2y square minus 8 minus 4xy minus 8y minus 8x is equal to 0. So 9x square minus 2x square 7x square. Next xy term minus 4xy. Next y square term 9y square minus 2y square plus 7y square. Next x term minus 18x minus 8x. So minus 18x minus 8x minus 26x minus 18y minus 8y. Here it will becomes here plus 18y now. So we have plus 18y. Plus 18y minus 8y is plus 10y. Plus 10y. Next, constant terms. 18 minus 8. So plus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, the equation of ellipse is 7x square minus 4xy plus 7y square minus 26x plus 10y plus 10 equal to 0. I hope everyone understood. This is the way you can do that. This type of question is very important for 4 marks. In this video, 6 to 7 questions, all are important 4 marks questions I am going to do, dear students. It will be helpful for not only Telangana intermediate students but also Andhra Pradesh AP intermediate students. You can utilize. You can share to your friends also. It will help you. Thank you. We will move to the next question. The second question. Find the equation of the ellipse in standard form whose distance between foci is 2 and the length of lattice rectum is 15 by 2. So find the equation of the ellipse in the standard form. Let the required equation of the standard form. Let the required equation or the equation of the ellipse in the standard form. Is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Standard form, you remember that a is greater than b case, dear students, remember. In that a is greater than b, then the equation of ellipse is called in the standard form. Equation number 1. What conditions are given? The distance between foci is 2 and the length of lattice rectum is 15 by 2. So this is the rough figure of A is greater than B case. Ellipse, center, distance between foci S and S dash, length of lattice rectum L dash and L. So distance between these two is given as 2 units from here to here. And distance between these two, length of lattice rectum is equal to 15 by 2. So given, this is the first point, given that the distance between foci, is 2. That is S dash is equal to 2AE, that is equal to 2. Formula for distance between foci is S dash equal to 2AE. So that implies that AE is equal to 1, 2 get cancelled, both sides. So 2AE is equal to 2 get cancelled, AE is equal to 1. Keep it like this. Next, one more condition is given. Given length of lattice rectum, we can write LLR also. Length of lattice rectum is equal to 15 by 2. That is LLR 2b square by A is equal to 15 by 2. That implies 2b square value we need to write in terms of first cross multiply, that is better. 4b square is equal to 15a. That implies 4 into, keep bracket, b square formula, a square into 1 minus e square is equal to 15a. That implies 4 into a square minus ae whole square. A square e square, that can be written as ae whole square, is equal to 15a. So ae value 1 now, substitute here. That implies 4 into a square minus 1 square is 1. In the next step I will write it. So 4a square, this 15a we can take this side, minus 15a minus 1 into 4 minus 1 square into 4. So factorization here we need to do that. To get the values of 4a square minus 15a minus 4. So 4a square minus 15a can be written as minus 16a plus a minus 4 after that. So from these two, 4a into a minus 4 plus 1 into a minus 4 equal to 0. So 4a plus 1 into a minus 4 equal to 0. So a minus 4 equal to 0 and 4a plus 1 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 4. So 4a is equal to minus 1, a equal to minus 1 by 4. Here a is greater than b but also greater than 0. So since a equal to minus 1 is not possible. Since a is greater than 0 and b is greater than 0. So a is equal to only 4 is possible value. After getting the value of a, we need to calculate b square value. Why? Because eccentricity, ae value is there, no? So a value we got it. We have b square is equal to a square minus ae whole square. So b square, a square means 4 square minus ae value 1 from here. So 16 minus 1 which is equal to 15. So b square value we got it. A is equal to 4, a square equal to 16. So here only a square I am writing. So a square comma b square values. Substitute in equation 1. We get x square by a square is 16 plus y square by b square 15, which is the required equation of ellipse in the standard form. I hope everyone understands, dear students. We'll move to the next question. Whatever I am explaining these questions, number of times asked in the public examinations in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. So you have to thorough these questions compulsorily in the public examination. 2 videos I am making, especially on 4 marks questions. It will help 100% to the students. Yeah, we'll move to the next one. The next question. Find the equation of the ellipse in the standard form whose distance between foci is 8 and the distance between directrices is 32. So distance between foci is 8 and distance between directrices from here to here, z dash, is 32. So given that, let the required equation of ellipse in the standard form, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. When a is greater than b, then equation 1. Given that the distance between foci is 8, that is s dash equal to 2ae, which is equal to 8. That implies that 2 and 2 times, 4 times, 2 ones are 2 fours are. So ae is equal to 4, we got it. Next condition, distance between directrices is there. So given that, and also given that, distance between directrices is equal to 32. That is, distance between directrices is denoted by z dash, that is equal to 2a by e. Standard formula 32. So 2 ones are 2 16s. So a by e is equal to 16. So after getting the values of a is equal to 4 and a by e is equal to 16, you have to consider both the values. So how to consider ae and a by e? If you do that product of these two, the eccentricity E is going to get cancelled and A into A square will come. 16 into 4, 64. A square value will come. AE value is there, A square value is there, we can calculate B square. So now consider AE into A by E. AE value how much? 4. Into A by E value how much? 16. So E get cancelled. A into A square is equal to 16 fours are 64. So A square value we got it. After that, here A into A square. A square value we got it. A value also there. We have B square equal to A square minus AE whole square. Or we can write like this also, no? B square equal to A square into 1 minus E square. That formula only we wrote like this. So B square, A square value 64 minus 4 square, A value 4 square. So 64 minus 16, which is equal to 48. So A square value, B square value. A square comma B square values. Substitute in equation 1. We get x square by 64 plus y square by 48 is equal to 1, which is the required equation of ellipse according to the given conditions. We'll move to the next question, dear students. The next question. Find the equation of the ellipse in standard form if it passes through the points -2, 2 and 3, -1. See here, let us consider, let the required equation of ellipse. Required equation of ellipse means standard form only. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Put that as equation number 1. Equation 1 passing through first point. Equation 1 passing through -2, 2. So in place of x and y substitute -2 and 2, it will becomes 4 by a square plus 4 by b square is equal to 1. What I am doing is here 4 I am taking common. So it will becomes 4 into 1 by a square plus 1 by b square is equal to 1. In the next step 4 we are taking this side. So it will becomes 1 by a square plus 1 by b square is equal to 1 by 4. Put that equation number 2. Next, equation 1 passing through second point. What is the second point? 3, -1. In place of x and y substitute 3 -1. 3 square 9 by a square plus -1 whole square 1 by b square is equal to 1. It should be equation 3. So solving equation 2 and equation 3. Solving equation 2 and equation 3. So 1 by a square plus 1 by b square is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 9 by a square plus 1 by b square is equal to 1. So while subtracting, sign change. Why we are subtracting? Here 1 by b square term is there. So we can cancel it. 1 by a square minus 9 by a square is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1. So that implies that minus 8 by a square is equal to minus 3 by 4. 1 minus 4 by 4. So minus 3 by 4. Minus get cancelled. Cross multiply. 32 equal to 3a square. That implies a square equal to 32 by 3. So a square value substitute in equation 2 or 3. A square value substitute in equation 2. Here substituting. So 1 by a square value 32 by 3 now. So 1 by 32 by 3 plus 1 by b square is equal to 1 by 4. So 3 by 32 plus 1 by b square is equal to 1 by 4. So 1 by b square equal to 1 by 4 minus 3 by 32. 32 LCM here, 4 8s are 8 into 1 minus 32 1s 1 into 3. 5 by 32. This is the value of 1 by b square, but I want b square value. So b square equal to reciprocal 32 by 5. So a square value we got it here, b square value also we got it. A square comma b square value substitute in equation 1. We get x square by 32 by 3 plus y square by 32 by 5. So if you want to express, they are asking in the standard form only, you can leave it like this. But still 3x square by 32 plus 5y square by 32 equal to 1. Denominator of denominator, numerator, denominator of denominator, numerator. So 3x square by 32, 5y square by 32. Take LCM 32. So 3x square plus 5y square equal to 32. Even till here also correct answer. Or we can write like this. I hope everyone understand. We'll move to the next questions. Finding eccentricity type questions. The next question. If the length of major axis of an ellipse is 3 times the length of its minor axis, then find its eccentricity of the ellipse. Length of major axis, length of minor axis, condition is given and they are asking to calculate eccentricity. First step, length of major axis of an ellipse. Length of major axis of the ellipse, that is a dash. So a dash is equal to 2a. Length of minor axis, length of minor axis of the ellipse, b dash, that is b dash is equal to 2b. Now we can apply the condition. What condition is given? Length of major axis is 3 times the length of minor axis. So given that a dash is equal to 3 times of b dash. So a dash value is 2a, 3 into b dash value is 2b. So 2 get cancelled on both sides. A is equal to 3b. So what is the eccentricity of the ellipse? The eccentricity of the ellipse is equal to square root of a square minus b square by a square, which is equal to square root of a square means 3b whole square minus b square divided by a square, that means 3b whole square, which is equal to square root of 9b square minus b square divided by 9b square, which is equal to square root of 8b square by 9b square. So root 8 divided by root 9. Root 8, that can be written as 2 root 2. 4 into 2 we can take outside. So root of 4 into 2 divided by root 9, directly you can write it. So that also equal to 4 we can take outside 2. 2 root 2 divided by 3. Therefore, the eccentricity of the ellipse is 2 root 2 by 3 when the condition a dash, that means length of major axis, is equal to 3 times the length of minor axis. We will move to the next question. The next question. Find the eccentricity of the ellipse in standard form if its length of lattice rectum is equal to half of its major axis. Condition is standard equation of the ellipse. Okay, standard equation of the ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. And here length of lattice rectum as well as half of the major axis. First, in the solution, the length of major axis, of the ellipse a dash is equal to 2a, length of major axis we got it. Next, the length of lattice rectum, LLR is equal equal to 2b square by a, length of lattice rectum for the standard equation of ellipse, 2b square by a. Now condition, what condition is given? Given that the length of lattice rectum is half of its major axis, that is LLR, length of lattice rectum, is equal to half of its major axis length A dash. What is the formula for length of lattice rectum? 2b square by a is equal to half into A dash to A. So 2 get cancelled. Cross multiply. 2b square is equal to A into A square. Yeah, put it in box. They are asking to calculate eccentricity. Therefore, the eccentricity of the ellipse is equal to square root of a square minus b square by a square. What is a square value here? 2b square now. So 2b square minus b square by 2b square, which is equal to square root of b square by 2b square. So root of 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by root 2. So eccentricity E is equal to 1 by root 2. According to the given condition. We will move to the next question and last question in this session. The next question. Find the eccentricity of the ellipse in standard form if the length of lattice rectum is half of its minor axis. In the previous question is major axis. So here minor axis and length of lattice rectum. So first one is length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum. LLR is equal to 2b square by a for the standard form only. Next, length of minor axis. Length of minor axis. BB dash is equal to 2b. What condition is given? Given that length of lattice rectum is half of its minor axis. Length of lattice rectum is equal to half of minor axis. So that implies 2b square by a is equal to half of 2b. So 2 get cancelled. So 2b square is equal to ab. A into b. So one of the b cancelled. So 2b is equal to a. Therefore the eccentricity of the ellipse E equal to square root of a square minus b square divided by a square. Square root of a square means 2b whole square, so 4b square minus b square by a square means 2b square means 2b whole square for this. Square root of 3b square divided by 4b square. So root 3 divided by root 4, which is equal to root 3 by 2. Therefore the eccentricity E equal to root 3 by 2 when the condition LLR equal to half of dv dash. That means length of lattice rectum equal to half of its minor axis. So that time the answer is equal to root 3 by 2. Now come to the next question. This is the example problem, number of times asked in the public examination, dear students. Find the equation of the ellipse referred to its major axis and minor axis as the coordinate axis x, y respectively, with lattice rectum of length 4 and distance between foci is 4 root 2. So here rough figure. This is the equation of ellipse in the standard form. Center, distance between foci and lattice rectum. So here L dash. So given they are asking equation of ellipse in the standard form, no? Let the required equation of ellipse be x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Put it as equation number 1, standard equation. And conditions write it. Given that, what conditions are there? Length of lattice rectum is 4. LLR is equal to 4, that is 2b square by a is equal to 4. So that implies 2b square equal to 4a. So b square is equal to 2a. Next, one more condition is given. What condition it is? Distance between foci. Distance between foci is equal to 4 root 2. That is S dash equal to 2AE, that is equal to 4 root 2. So AE is equal to 2 root 2 only. So 2 ones are 2 2s are. AE value we got it. And here observe carefully. B square formula we have. B square is A square minus AE whole square is equal to 2A. That AE value substitute here. A square minus 2 root 2 whole square minus 2a equal to 0. That implies a square minus, this is 8, minus 2a minus 8 equal to 0. So factorization, a square minus 4a plus 2a minus 8 equal to 0. So a into a minus 4 plus 2 into a minus 4, a minus 4 into a plus 2 equal to 0. Clearly we know that which value is possible here. That implies a is equal to 4, comma a is equal to minus 2. Anyway, it is not possible. This case is not possible. So what should be possible? A is equal to 4. So a is equal to 4. A is equal to 4. That implies that a square is equal to 16. So a is equal to 4, substitute in this condition, b square equal to 2a, we got it here. So b square is equal to 2a, 2 into 4, that is equal to 8. Therefore b square is equal to 8. So a square comma b square values substitute in 1 in this equation. So we get x square by 16 plus y square by 8 equal to 1. If you want to take LCM, you can. 16 is the LCM. 16 ones are 1 into x square plus 8 twos are 2y square. So therefore, x square plus 2y square equal to 16, which is the required equation of ellipse in the standard form. Thank you, dear students, for watching our channel. If you have any doubts regarding this video, you can write to my comment box. I will help you. And whatever the requirements for you, whether it is in Maths 2A or Maths 2B or Maths A or Maths B or in MCET or JMNs, whatever regarding Maths subject, whichever you want, that you can write in my comment box. I will help you with that. Thank you all. Signing off, Maths with Panindra. Jai Hind.